Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the fuel injectors relay is located, you may have up to 3 different relays, guys, in different places, depending on the year, model and engine. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. Fuel injectors relay, where you can expect to find it, we will, guys, demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla, but today we work mainly in one that's under the hood. So we will need to open the hood on that Toyota Corolla, and if you face the engine, guys, here on the right side, if you remove that cover, you will find one engine fuse box that's known as engine fuse box, with a layout that will look like this one, guys, right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now the fuel injectors, you may have up to 3 different relays that you need to check. We will zoom in a little bit. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, fuel injectors for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below. That way you will not waste your money and time. Now, the main relay that we need to check is relay number 7, right here. You need to check that one, guys. After that, you may have another one that you need to check, relay number 2. And some of you may even have another relay that's known as relay 12 that will be next to these fuses. But the main relay for the US model will be right here for the fuel injectors. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.